There we go. Hey there, my name is Dodo, in case you haven't noticed. This is my channel, and my username is My Name is Dodo. I know what you're thinking, I wasn't pointing at my crotch, I am wearing pants, and I was trying to point at the username, but I don't know where it is, because I can't see it. But, as you know, I sell many things. I've tried selling things on the Jimmy Network channel, but for some reason no one ever buys my stuff. It's probably because a majority of my clients have died in the process of buying my products, yes. And people in their right minds wouldn't want to buy my products, but... So, I'm really tight on money right now, and all my inventions completely fail. So, I've decided to come up with a new tactic. Phil, what button do I hit? Okay. Is that... Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dodo, and today I'm not selling you something I invented. Today, I'm selling you something that's valuable and important and healthy. This cat. Her name is Afterwards. She's an Abyssinian tabby, and she hates people. It's the perfect cat for the family. Say hi, Afterwards. Good girl. Now, this cat is, $7 billion because I need that money. I need that kind of money. Yeah. I really need that money. So, yeah. This is Kidney Bean's house, but, he let me use his place. Yeah. My phone's buzzing. I know who it is. Phil, I gotta stop the music. Someone's calling me. Sorry, guys. I gotta take this.
Joe, I know what you're doing.
What do you mean? I'm just at home, not in your house.
Stop trying to sell my cat on the internet.
I'm not. Listen, I'm just...
Don't you dare hang up on me. No, dude.
Who would want to buy this adorable thing? Say hi. Like I said, it's totally available for sale. I'm totally allowed to sell it. Can you let me in here? Maybe? And now it's $6,009,999.99. See, I made it lower for your guaranteed happiness. She doesn't hurt people, I swear. Ah, dear God. Ah.